Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our question is chapter 7 integration, question 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x. Very important type. In this type, sin x plus x given, then you have to let sin x minus cos x. If sin x minus cos x is given, then you have to let sin x plus cos x. Opposite of this sign, clear? And you can let in this question, very important question from the examination point of view, let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Now can you tell me the derivative of this derivative of sin cos x and derivative of cos minus sin x? Dx is equal to dt, correct? And the squaring both side, squaring both side. You know that sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. You know that sin square x cos square x, that is identity 1, and 2 sin x cos x identity, that is sin 2x is equal to t square. And what is the value of sin 2x from here? That is 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Now put integration limit. You know that if we let in the question, then limit also change. First put 0 here, 0, sin 0, 0, cos 0, minus 1. When you put pi by 4, sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4, both having the value 1 by root 2, therefore 0. 1 upon, in place of sin x plus cos x dx, you can write dt. And therefore 9 plus 16, in place of sin 2x, you can write 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Now simplify further. Limit minus 1 to 0. 1 upon 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square dt. Further simplify. Minus 1 to 0. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, you know, 25. Minus 16 t square dt. Integration minus 1 to 0. You can take common 65. Therefore 25 by 16 minus t square dt. Clear? Now you can take common 1 by 16 outside. Integration minus 1 to 0. 1 upon, that is 25 by 16, 5 by 4 whole square minus t square dt, 1 by 16. And this is the property, 1 by a square minus t square. You know very well, integration 1 by a square minus x square property, very important property, that is 1 by 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. This is the property. According to this property, you can solve the question. 1 upon 2a, in this question a, when you compare with the property, then the value of a is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 log 5 by 4 plus t upon 5 by 4 minus t, limit minus 1 to 0. Clear? Now 2 to ja 4 and 2 6 18, 8 5 ja 40. 1 upon 40. When you put upper limit minus lower limit, when you put here 0, 5 by 4 upon 5 by 4, 1, and you know that log 1 is 0, minus. Now put minus 1. When you put minus 1, then log 1 by 9. Here 1 by 40, log 1 into 0 minus log 1 by 9. Log 1 by 9 you can write, that is 1 by 40. You know that log m by n, that is log m minus log n, correct? You can write log 9. Log 9 is the answer, correct? This is very important question according to the board point of view. Okay, thank you.